Army Armament Alpha. 2 colors available, 2-tone at saka itong test natin na color black. So metal slide, metal yung frame, may underrail na for attachment, and then naka-compensator siya with license markings TTI, ayan, Combat Master markings, and then naka-staple yung grip nya. So magazine capacity is 50 rounds. And then may ano na rin siya, plate na rin siya for optic attachment. Test natin. 393, 373, so naubusan ng hangin. For the price, ang price nito guys is 8K, 8,000. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop.